Let's fill out the Mississippi ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps the signed one. When buying or selling an ATV in this state, here is what you need to know. The original title is required, and it must include a signature. So make sure that document is ready to go before you finalize the sale. When it comes to the title application, the new owner, or owners if there are multiple, must be present in person to sign it. So plan ahead and make sure everyone who will be on that title shows up together. Now, the facts we have verified for this state do not include specific requirements around notarization, odometer disclosure, or a minimum price statement. So we are not going to guess or assume anything beyond what is confirmed. Keep things simple. Bring your original title, get the right signatures, and make sure the new owner or owners are there in person to complete that application. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.